fine.
Yeah, so I would say right now the pain level is around 3 out of 10.
Out of 10, 3. That means 70% is less.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. From first, I am checking your limb length. Okay. Yeah. The right side is a bit short. Okay. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, relax. Breathe in, breathe out, yeah. Breathe in, breathe out, relax. Breathe out, once more, relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Small, relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. We're going to use this chiropractic drop table for adjustment. Okay, just breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, 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 breathe out. Okay. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out, relax. Breathe in, breathe out, relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Fine? So the breathe in, breathe out, relax. Breathe out. L5 is 1. Breathe in, breathe out, relax. Breathe out, relax. Breathe in, breathe out, relax. Breathe out. Relax. Your gluteal muscles are tight, even the paraspinal muscles also. So this will release the muscles, okay? Release your posterior chain of muscles, group of muscles. Okay, what you do is, you just lift your leg up and down, huh? Okay, do it for 3 repetitions. Slowly, up, 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 down, again, up, down, again, up, down, relax. Cervical, relax. Your posture is not at all good. You don't maintain a bad posture. So, like, you have to take care about this. Otherwise, again, repeatedly, the muscle will go for spasm, and again, it will create adhesions and stiffness. The posture is the most important thing. So, when you came, you had we always give a rating of 1 to 10. Okay, so when you came, the pain and the stiffness and the spasm which was there, so how much you read in that time? It was around 8, 9, 9?
Around 9.
And 9. So after this whole chiropractic session of your spine and the whole other joints, so how much you will give now? How you are feeling?
To that particular pain, I would
Pain
say.
and stiffness all throughout, I mean, overall.
Yeah, so when I came here, it was
Yeah.
around, I would say 10 actually.
Okay.
Because the pain was.
Pain was as such
Yeah.
that because you called me and you know this
So,
is
so,
severe pain.
so there was a kind of a surgent pain out there.
Okay.
So right now I'm feeling much better.
Okay.
So
That's good.
I don't know how to rate that.
No, rate means
But
50%. Suppose 1 to 10.
Uh,
So is 50% gone or like 1
so I
1 to
would,
5?
yeah, so I would say right now the pain level is around 3 out of 10.
Out of 10, 3. That means 70% is less.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. That means the rating is 1, it's 5 and 10. So you give around 3.
Yeah.
So this is 7.
So of course, there is a certain kind of a pain which is still there. There's
It will be
certain
there because you
stiffness.
have a postural pain and maybe
Correct.
structural pain is there because last 6 months you had.
Yeah.
Okay, and because of the posture, it's totally the spasm is continuously you have
Correct,
the muscle is always in tension. So
Correct.
whatever the treatment the adjustment we have done, the adhesions got break and the spasm got released.
Correct.
So and obviously blood supply got increased
Correct.
and you feel that's why you feel better.
Correct.
Okay.